Yeah, man, really and truly. We say pick up the HKD family. You don't know. Yeah, man, we move forward now. Pick up DJ White. Yeah, man, pick up Sydney. Yeah, man, pick up the one crew. Yeah, man, but in the meantime, before I call upon now, tell them, man, you ready? Before we call upon now. Before we call upon the next artist, I just want to play 3 songs. Then we move forward now to the next birthday now. Yeah, it's a now. Ready?